your name, your kingdom come, your will be done on earth as it is in heaven. Give us today our daily bread and forgive us our sins as we forgive those who sin against us. Do not bring us to the test, but deliver us from evil. Amen. Okay, a very good morning to all of you once again. This is your science period. I hope all of you are ready with your science book. Give me a thumbs up if you're all ready with your science books. Okay, that's nice. All of you are ready. Okay. There are some children who are still joining.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. I hope all of you read the lesson. I told you to read the lesson nicely. Our food. Did you all read the lesson yesterday? If yes, give me a thumbs up. If no, then thumbs down. How many of you read the lesson? Okay, Siddha's read the lesson. Shayansh. Quite a lot are giving a thumbs up. That means you all read the lesson. That's good. Now let me see if you are able to answer the questions that I'm going to ask you. All right?
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am,
Yes, I can hear you. Speak
I
up.
not see you. Ma'am.
There must be some network problem at your end, child.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. There must be some network problem due to which you can't see me, Ashoka. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Sorry, ma'am, I cannot read the lesson.
Okay, never mind. Today you read it, alright? Read it today. Make sure
Okay,
you
ma'am.
read it.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Arjun.
Good morning.
Children, we are
Good
just
morning,
getting,
ma'am.
some children are still
Good morning,
joining.
ma'am.
Let them all join.
Ma'am,
Yes.
sorry, I cannot read story.
I did not. Say, I did not read.
I did not.
Yes.
I
Never
did
mind.
not read.
The lesson.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
मुझे आपकी तरह पोएम नहीं लर्न हो पा रही थी.
बेटे हो जाएगी. डेली प्रैक्टिस आप जब करेंगे धीरे धीरे हो जाएगी. All right. Slowly, slowly
Okay,
you will
ma'am.
learn things. You are
Okay,
small
ma'am.
just now. Okay. Now let's
Good
begin with our
morning, ma'am.
science.
Okay, ma'am.
Good morning. Let's begin with our science, children. Let me see how many of you remember. Come on, Alia. You tell me what are the two sources of food? कहाँ कहाँ से हमें food मिलता है?
Plants.
Plants. Very good. Okay, Shanawaz. Name one more. We get
Animals.
animals. Very good. Okay, Hania. The next one. Tomato is a fruit or a vegetable?
Ma'am, fruit.
Tomato is a fruit. Very good. So you remember, children, we had studied. Good to know. Tomatoes are a fruit, not a vegetable. Okay. Aban, you tell me. We should eat from a clean plate or dirty plate?
Clean plate.
Clean plate. That's right. Satakshi, we should eat fresh food
Yes,
or
ma'am.
old food?
Fresh fruit.
Fresh food. Very good. Sakshi, we get milk from a goat or fish? Sakshi, मिल्क हमें गोट से मिलता है या फिश से?
Cold.
गोट से. ओके, गुड. आरव,
Cold.
we eat lunch at night or dinner?
Yes. We
रात में हम कौन सा खाना खाते हैं, लंच या डिनर?
dinner.
Dinner, that's right. Aradhya,
Yes,
hen,
ma'am.
hen and ducks give us eggs. True or false?
Ma'am, too.
True, that's right. Okay, Sidra. Some seeds are eaten as nuts. Some seeds are eaten as
False.
nuts. True or false?
False.
Some seeds, कुछ seeds हम लोग nuts की तरह खाते हैं, मैंने बताया था ना. Remember the dry fruits? So it is
True.
true.
Ma'am,
Okay,
choose the
good.
number.
Rudra, the next one. Rudra, can you hear me?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Which page number?
Did I ask you
Ma'am.
to open the book just now? I'm just questioning you. We are just revising the lesson, Alia, alright? So pay attention. When I ask you to open the book, then you open it. Fold your hands, sit back straight, all of you, smartly. Yes, that's right. Okay, Ruth, the next one for you. Milk is not important for healthy bones. Is it true or false? मिल्क हमारे बोन्स के लिए इम्पोर्टेंट नहीं है. फॉल्स. यस, milk is very important for us. We all need to have milk, right? And Sayaj, the next one for you.
Yes, ma'am.
Do we need to drink enough water? Yes or no? हमें enough ज्यादा पानी
True.
पीना चाहिए कि नहीं? True. Yes.
Ma'am,
Okay. We need to drink water. That's right. Very important. Okay, the next one, Bhavika. Do we need to chew our food well? क्या हमें अपना खाना अच्छे से चबा के खाना चाहिए? Yes or no? Bhavika, quickly.
मैम एक बार फिर से क्वेश्चन बोल दीजिए.
हमें अपना खाना अच्छे से chew करना चाहिए, चबाना चाहिए. Yes or no?
True.
True, yes. Okay, Abdul, the next one. We must wash our hands before and after eating food. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, that's right. Okay, Arjun, the next one for you. Arjun, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Name a root that we eat. We eat the different parts of the plants. Yes?
Onion.
Okay, onion. Onion is a bulb. Okay, onion we call it as a bulb, though we get it from the ground. So you can say radish. All right. Next.
Okay.
Next. Okay. Arnav is there. Arnav. Arnav, can you hear me? Arnav. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, Arnav. Which are the different parts of the plant that we eat?
Yes.
Which are the different parts of the plant that we eat?
Ma'am, fruit, vegetables,
Okay.
fruit, vegetables.
I said which are the different parts? फ्रूट्स वेजिटेबल्स हम खाते हैं. प्लांट के हमने बताया था हम लोग अलग अलग पार्ट्स खाते हैं, उन्हीं को हम लोग फ्रूट्स और वेजिटेबल्स बोलते हैं. व्हाट आर द डिफरेंट पार्ट्स दैट वी ईट? We eat the leaves, roots. Okay, like Arjun said, onion भी जमीन से मिलता है नीचे से हमें. Okay, you have the roots over there. All of you have seen an onion, I'm sure. Then the seeds we eat. I told you the seeds, the nuts जो आप लोग dry fruits खाते हैं. Okay, then the flowers, cauliflower, broccoli. That's the flower of a plant. Leaves, पत्ती वाली सब्जियां जो आप लोग खाते हैं, cabbage, spinach, right? So these are the various parts of the plant that we eat. And I told you we don't eat all and everything. ये नहीं कि गार्डन में कोई भी प्लांट लगा है उसकी पत्ती हम लोग तोड़ के खा सकते हैं. सब चीज नहीं खा सकते हैं. सिर्फ खाने वाली जो वेजिटेबल्स हैं वो खा सकते हैं. Right? So that's nice. You all are revising the lesson. You're reading the lesson. That's very good. Now you can open your books to page number 72. Open your books to page number 72. Okay, Sayansh has opened his book. He's giving a thumbs up. Arjun is also ready. Sidra is ready. Hania is ready. Satakshi ready. Alia ready. Okay. Arjun is talking to somebody over there. All right. Page number 72. Exercise 2. Write true or false. Pay attention now, Arjun. Exercise 2. Number 1. Cabbage is a seed that we eat. Now cabbage all of you have seen. सबने cabbage देखा है? All of you have seen a cabbage? Okay, good. Now you will tell me whether it is a seed. It says cabbage is a seed that we eat. So is this statement true or false? Ishi? Ishi? Can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Ishi.
Yes, ma'am.
Cabbage you have seen. पत्ता गोभी आपने देखी है? वो
Yes, ma'am.
सीड होती है. यहाँ पर लिखा है cabbage is a seed that we eat. Cabbage seed होता है जो हम लोग खाते हैं. Is it true or false? सोच के बताइए. Cabbage आपने देखा है?
Yes, ma'am.
ओके, कैबेज बहुत बड़ा सा राउंड सा होता है. उसमें सब लीव्स होती है. यस इशी?
Yes, ma'am.
तो वो सीड है या कोई लीव्स वाला वेजिटेबल है?
Leaves वाला.
लीव्स वाला वेजिटेबल है. ओके, गुड. सो इट सेज कैबेज इज अ सीड दैट वी ईट. तो ये स्टेटमेंट ट्रू होगा या फॉल्स होगा?
True.
सीड मतलब बीज. सीड का मतलब होता है बीज. Okay, this is false. Children, write over there false. F-A-L-S-E. Make sure you write the correct spelling. Sidra's already done it. Okay.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. You've just joined Vikrant. We are doing science, page number 72. All right. Next one, Mustafa. We get milk from the cow. True or false?
True.
True. That's right. Children, put true there. Next, Vikrant. See, plants need water to grow. Plants need water to grow. Plants को बढ़ने के लिए.
True.
True. That's right.
True.
Put true there. Bhavika, are you writing? Okay, Mandvi, the next one. We get eggs from ducks.
True.
True. Put there true, children. Arish, the next one. We should eat food very quickly. जल्दी जल्दी खाना खाना चाहिए. Arish, can you hear me? True, yes. जल्दी से जल्दी जल्दी खा लेना चाहिए.
false,
फॉल्स. कल मैम ने समझाया था ना, धीरे धीरे आराम से फूड को चू करना चाहिए. सो दैट इज फॉल्स. पुट ओवर देयर फॉल्स. Aishwika, the next one. To keep healthy, we
yes
should
ma'am,
only eat fruits. हमें हेल्दी रहने के लिए सिर्फ फ्रूट्स खानी चाहिए और कुछ भी नहीं खाना चाहिए.
false,
False. That's right. We need to eat everything. Put false over there, children. And also put there learn. Put there learn.
ma'am,
Yes.
मेरा फिफ्थ वाला छूट गया है.
That is, we should eat food very quickly. हमें खाना बहुत जल्दी जल्दी खाना चाहिए. Yes or no?
false,
False. So put false over there. Now,
ma'am,
children.
लाइन तो नहीं पढ़ पाई जिसका.
Bhavika, because you are not writing child. सबके साथ में मैम जब बोल रही है आपको उस टाइम काम करना है. जब आपसे मैम बोल रही है भाविका आर यू राइटिंग, तब आप लिखना शुरू कर रही हैं.
Excuse me, ma'am.
यस.
मेरी और नंबर एफ क्या है?
Children, I'm just calling out once again. Cabbage is a seed that we eat. False. We get milk from the cow. True. Plants need water to grow. True. We get eggs from ducks. True. We should eat food very quickly. False. To keep healthy, we should only eat fruits. False. All of you got it now? Bhavika, have you done it?
1 second, ma'am, please.
Vani, finished? Sayansh is finished. Mandvi, done it? Abdul has done it. Okay, Alia done?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, I have done.
All right. Satakshi, you asking something?
Ma'am, I have done.
Children, just wait.
Ma'am, I have done.
You don't have to keep on saying I have done, I have done. You just have to give me a thumbs up. Yes, Satakshi?
Ma'am, what is the answer of क्या कहें अर्जुन सबको मार F?
To keep healthy, we should only eat fruits. वहां पर लिखा है हमें हेल्दी रहने के लिए सिर्फ फ्रूट्स खाने चाहिए. Is that true? You tell me. हमें सिर्फ फ्रूट्स खाने चाहिए और कुछ भी नहीं. False. So put over there false. Got it, Satakshi?
Yeah, ma'am.
All right. Now, children, I hope you have put learn over there, all of you.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes,
I am done.
you have done. I have done. Okay, good. Now, moving on to exercise 3. Read carefully and tick the
Ma'am, I have
correct
done.
option. Read carefully and tick the correct option. Now, look at the pictures over there, all of you. Vani is yawning. She's feeling sleepy. Vani, come on, tell me the first one. Look at the picture. What can you see in the first picture, Vani? Which animal?
The cow. The cow is eating.
The option
Grass.
is grass or roots. So your answer is grass. Put a tick on grass, children. Roshni, the little next picture, the boy, read what is written there. Shashank,
Water.
read that full sentence.
Water.
Roshni, read the sentence. Shashank,
Shashank is drinking water. Water. Water.
water. The answer is water. Okay, good. Vikrant, the next one, that girl with the watermelon, read that sentence. Sentence को read करिए. मीता is, विक्रांत read.
Watermelon.
पूरा sentence को read करिए. मीता is,
Mika is eating watermelon.
yes, and the other option is banana. There are two options, watermelon and banana, and the correct answer is watermelon. Put a tick on watermelon, children. Parth, the next picture, the squirrel, read what is written there. Parth, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Parth, read what's written at the picture of the squirrel.
The squirrel is eating apple and nuts.
Apples or nuts. So the correct answer is nuts. Right. Put a tick on nuts, children. All right, Vikhyat, the next one. The last picture.
Yes, ma'am.
Read that sentence.
Ma'am, plants.
Read the sentence first. Meera is watering
the plants,
or animals.
animals.
So what is the correct answer?
Plants.
Plants. Yes, Meera is watering the plants. Plants को पानी डाल रही है, animals के ऊपर पानी नहीं डाल रही है वो. So put tick
Yes,
on
ma'am.
plants. That's right. Put a tick on plants.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. And children, put learn over there against that exercise. Alright, now come to page number 73. Question answers we've already done in the copy yesterday. Now come to page 73. You can see the pictures given there, the fruits. And I'm sure all of you know the names of these fruits. सबने खाया भी होगा, सबको names भी पता है. Yes, give me a thumbs up. Do you know the names of these fruits?
Ma'am.
Yes, Ashi. Ashika, I cannot hear you. There's a lot of disturbance outside. Alright, the first picture. Alia, which fruit is that? Alia, the first picture, which fruit is that? Yes, Alia, can you hear me?
Kiwi.
Kiwi, that's right. So children, write in that box over there, Kiwi, kiwi. Right over there, kiwi. All of you have eaten a kiwi? Give me a thumbs up.
Yes.
Okay, Satakshi is giving thumbs up. She's eaten. Shanawar also. And how many of you like it? Okay, that's nice. It's a nice fruit. You must eat.
भूमि मैम.
Yes.
मैम एक बार फिर से रिपीट कर दिए. Excuse me, ma'am.
Kiwi, Kiwi.
Excuse me, ma'am. मैम कीवी में बहुत विटामिन सी होता है.
Yes, that's right. It's a nice fruit.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, the next one, Vani, which is the next fruit?
Strawberry. Strawberry, ma'am.
Strawberry, that's right. Children, write the spelling there. S-T-R-A-W, straw. S-T-R-A-W, straw. Berry, B-E-R-R-Y. Bhavika, are you writing?
Ma'am, please. Ma'am, please. One more again.
S-T-R-A-W, straw. Now, berry, B-E-R-R-Y. Strawberry. Okay, Aradhya, which is the next fruit? Which is the next fruit, Aradhya?
Yes, ma'am.
Which is the next fruit? Look at the picture.
Ma'am, apple.
Apple, that's right. All of you know the spelling of an apple, I'm sure.
A-P-P-L-E.
Write it there.
Ma'am, apple.
Ahmed, the last fruit. Ahmed, the last fruit. Yes, Ahmed, और अपना कैमरा ऑन करके बैठा करिए. कैमरा ऑन रहना चाहिए पूरा टाइम.
मैम मेरा कैमरा ऑन था.
अभी आपने ऑन किया तो मैंने आपका नेम लिया. Okay, come on. Which is the last fruit?
लीची. Excuse me, ma'am.
That's right. Yes.
मैम मैं अभी कीवी खा चुकी हूँ.
Okay, that's very good. Okay, write the name of the last fruit. Lychee. L-I-T-C-H-I. L-I-T-C-H-I. Lychee.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
ये मेरा फेवरेट फ्रूट है.
Okay, that's very good.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Repeat कर दीजिए.
L-I-T-C-H-I. Lychee.
मैम 3 नंबर पे लीची है. वो लीची का 3 नंबर पे एप्पल है या फिर पीच है.
Number 3 is apple.
ओके मैम.
All right.
बेरी की स्पेलिंग.
B-E-R-R-Y. Children, you have to learn up the spellings. हम बार बार आपको बोल रहे हैं. Very important spellings you have to learn. Now, on page number 74, page 74, there's an interesting exercise that says, let's enjoy. You will work out this exercise. You have to find 5 differences. Put HW over there. You will do this on your own. दोनों pictures को देखेंगे आप. And you will find the differences. Yes. Page number 74. You can see 2 pictures are there of the cow. Got it? Bhavika, mute yourself. बहुत disturbance है. Ahmed, mute yourself. All right. With that, we come to the end of your science period. Now you can take your break. We'll meet in the next period. You have moral science today. Okay. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.